Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is me, Zemex, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your videos on beat. So, the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube and find the beat that you want. And you want to find the second where the beat drops. Once you find the second where the beat drops, like is what I'm about to do right now, just wait a couple seconds. Alright, I'm clicking on that right now. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one. Alright, so I'm going to skip it until, because I already know where the beat drops, so I already did a video on it, so I'm going to skip to like where the beat drops. So here we go. Alright, the beat drops at 36 seconds, right? So when you make your montage, you want to make the clips like until when you kill the person, you want to make it like 36 seconds. Like I'll show you an example right now when I go to iMovie. Okay, I'm in iMovie right now. Alright, so first I'm gonna find like the movie where I have the music in. It might take me a couple seconds because I actually forgot the movie, but it's one of these, so just bear with me. Let's check if it's this one. Alright, it's not that one. Is it this one? Sorry guys. Alright, so just keep in mind that the beat drops in 36 seconds. Alright, so we're gonna go to my YouTube channel because I couldn't figure out what movie it was. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how the beat drops at 36. Sorry if there's no audio. So look, as I killed a person right here. See, at 36 seconds, you see that I eliminated the person. So that's when the beat drops. You can go check out the video for you guys yourself so you can see how the beat drops so there's no audio. But hopefully all you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like and sub because I know a lot of people want to know how to make their videos on beat because like most YouTubers don't make videos on this. So make sure to like.